Well, there's a game of legal chicken playing out tonight in a Virginia courtroom.
So on one side, you have the Trump administration, and on the other, there is the former head of the FBI, James Comey, and his attorney, Patrick Fitzgerald, who is one of Chicago's most legendary crime fighters. Our investigative reporter, Chuck Goudie, is here to explain. Chuck?
Stephen Ellison, ex-FBI Director Jim Comey, and former Chicago federal prosecutor Pat Fitzgerald on the defensive tonight as the government is coming after both of them. Comey, they have indicted on charges he lied to Congress about allegedly leaking classified documents to the media, and now the government wants Fitzgerald off the case as Comey's attorney, suggesting Fitzgerald helped dole out the documents for Comey despite investigations to the contrary. Patrick Fitzgerald ranks among the most storied and successful federal prosecutors in modern Chicago history, taking down terrorists and top government officials, including sitting Governor Rod Blagojevich. Tonight, the same Justice Department where Fitzgerald once shined is aimed to take him down a notch as he defends former FBI Director James Comey, a longtime associate and friend. When the Trump Justice Department had Comey indicted a month ago on one count of obstructing congressional investigators and one count of lying, Comey called Pat Fitzgerald in Chicago, retired but ready for battle.
Very high-profile lawyer, very well connected. He and the defendant have known one another for a long time. In high-ranking lawyer circles, Fitzgerald is extraordinarily well regarded.
Now the government wants Fitzgerald removed as Comey's attorney in court papers claiming a conflict, saying that when Trump fired Comey in 2017, Fitzgerald allegedly helped him sneak classified material to the media. Fitzgerald fighting that allegation, citing this report from the Justice Department Inspector General that determined there was no evidence that Comey or his attorneys released any of the classified information contained in any of the memos to the media. Former Assistant U.S. Attorney in Chicago Ron Safer says Fitzgerald did nothing to warrant removal as Comey's legal counsel.
There's nothing disqualifying about that. And there's nothing in the record that says that Fitzgerald disseminated anything to anybody. So he's not involved. And for the client to say, here, please take a look at this situation and advise me, that's not grounds for disqualification. If it were, then every criminal defense attorney in the country would be disqualified.
Is this just, though, normal back and forth in a high-profile case like this, to be expected?
There's nothing normal about this litigation. This is unprecedented, and the tactics are unprecedented.
The game of chicken tonight in that Virginia courtroom is also going the other way with the prosecution on defense now. Former FBI Director Comey is also challenging the top government attorney in the case, claiming her appointment as U.S. attorney, the prosecutor, was unlawful and invalid. No comment tonight on any of this from Comey's attorney, Pat Fitzgerald, who left at the top of the U.S. Attorney's office in Chicago back in 2012. That's hard to believe. Wow. 2012.
A while ago.
Yeah.
All right.
Game of
there's
chicken.
more to come. Thanks so much.
Who's going to blink first?
Day by day.
Thank you so much, Chuck.